ahead and dive in. What's first?
Left to right, right to left, or just start in the middle?
Left to right.
All right, left to right.
You want? Peanut cake. The hell's that word?
That's like a different language.
Yeah, that's why I'm asking you.
It just says
just a
peanut
peanut
cake, but it's in a different
Did
language.
you get a knife?
No.
It's cool. 'Cause there's a perforated edge here.
I didn't pack one with me either.
Oh, it's all
Use
feels sticky.
Use one of the pocket pickers.
Fuck it.
Are we all trying this at the same time, or am I passing it down?
I think for the... Yeah, we can pass it down. Everybody get a piece and we'll try it.
Oh, there's 3 pieces here, yo. I'm not eating this big ass piece.
Oh, quit being a little bitch. Ugh.
It is sticky.
Is it?
Yeah. I don't know. It just smells like peanut stuff.
I don't know. Smells...
Josh is like, fuck the smell.
It tastes like
Okay,
peanut
Jack. Oh yeah.
Yeah. That's not that bad.
not at all.
Hey, eat more of this shit.
So, peanut cake. Whatever the hell that says.
A little easier on the teeth than peanut brittle.
Yeah.
Yeah. Huh.
So are we gonna eat more of this, or are we gonna
Fuck yeah.
move on?
I'm fucking hungry. This is actually pretty good. Alright, there you go. So far, so good. But I can feel it getting stuck in my teeth, though.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, God, a big chunk.
Yeah.
Give it to the fat guy.
That's fine. Alright, I'm gonna eat this last piece and come chew in the camera. Milk Kita vanilla shake candy. Good source of calcium.
And just like Josh stated earlier, what kind of fucking American candy has calcium? No wonder Asian people are so healthy and young looking like me. Alright, fuck you guys. Vulgar. This video is vulgar. You're gonna hear a lot of fucking cuss words, alright? So if you got a fucking problem with it, stop it. But hit the like button and subscribe. Just remember that part. Oh, you guys already started?
I opened it.
There's really no flavor after that peanut brittle.
Mine has flavor. Your palate's fucked up.
I taste it.
Good.
It's not a hard candy. It's really
It's chewy.
soft and chewy, kind of like the high chews. If you guys ever had those, like Costco or whatever, it kind of had the.
You've had the high juice, I know you have.
Yeah.
It doesn't stick to your teeth though,
No.
which is good. It's a nice smooth chew. It's not like what's a chewy candy that gets stuck to your teeth?
Laffy Taffy.
Yeah.
Laffy
No,
Taffy.
it's a nice soft chew, and it actually tastes good.
No, right?
I'm not going to keep piecing on those. We might as well keep going. We got a lot of food to get through. Here, you want to put them back in the bag? While
What the heck? This dead guy.
Yan yan. We've got vanilla cream and strawberry cream. Now these actually, I think, have a dip inside and little sticks.
You know, we really didn't spread this out very well because we're going to end up eating candy and then what looks like it's going to be...
I've actually had these before.
Oh, sure, now you speak up. What the hell's that say? Eats cheese?
I don't know, but I really like them. They're fucking chronic.
I feel like I need more. Like that didn't cover my stick. Is it not that deep?
No, it's not that deep. It's not in my hole, dude.
Oh, yeah!
Bottoming out.
See, they got that. Long stick, I got that. Short stick.
Mine says elephant longest.
This ain't that bad.
I'm not sure I like those.
You don't like them?
No. You gonna try the strawberry one here?
You like 'em?
No.
You got some more for me? Fuck them.
I do like these though. These just need to come back over here.
That's... I don't know.
I think Josh picked this one up. It's fried crab chips.
I did.
He said he's a little concerned because it's sealed with metal.
Just give that one a whiff when you crack her open.
Oh,
Oh, it made
it like farted in his face.
Yes.
Oh, my turn.
Oh, what the fuck? I don't know about this, man. Alright, I'll go first.
It's a long day on the corner division.
These aren't that bad, actually.
No.
No, they're not. They smell like ass, but they fucking tasty. Ooh,
Oh wow.
good choice.
Just don't smell
Yeah.
Did we show them the picture? Did we
Yeah,
walk close?
I didn't walk up there. I'm done walking. Crab chips.
Crab chips.
We got green tea maki.
This guy's still with you.
Might as well.
them. They smell good. Oh man.
Oh shit.
What the fuck?
What did you buy?
Oh. What the?
That doesn't look healthy.
That doesn't. What the fuck?
So it's got like a gel texture to it, and it pushed up against the package. Josh, you smell this one first.
I still got that crab taste in my mouth.
It smells delicious.
Does it really?
Yes, it does.
It's kind of got like a
Just give me one.
soapy smell.
Oh god.
Oh, go show him. You gotta go show him my camera, bro.
Oh god.
The texture is going to be the worst part for me.
Alright, so it does smell decent, but let's see if we can get this to focus. It keeps wanting to focus on you, Tony. There we go. So, it's like almost like a pus-filled zit.
Fuck it. I guess I'll go ahead and eat this. Oh,
Oh, it's stuck! Oh god, hold on. We got more to zoom in here. Oh. Tony? Look. How is it?
it's different, but I don't know if I like it or not. It's just
God, it smells awful.
the textures wasn't getting me.
Oh god.
That's what I was going to say, is that I couldn't do the texture every day. As far as the taste,
Taste is pretty decent.
Lipton
Surprisingly.
green tea is what it reminds me of.
Tea?
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Really?
Green tea hey.
Oh, he didn't like it. Eric's done. KO. He's out.
Ow.
A little bit.
Not bad. Just the texture, it's... Yep.
Oh god.
You gonna yak now? Well, guess what? You got another one. Maybe this is a better flavor. This one we got handmade mochi. It's this right here. Kind of looks like a fucking powdered sugared Twinkie.
Red,
With jizz.
it says red bean and cream.
Does it really?
Ooh, yeah, red bean with cream. Who doesn't like a little cream filling in their life? So I got.
Doing alright?
He gonna throw up.
Texture got him.
Ooh, I can smell it straight out of the package. Just,
I can't.
you sick? No. So we'll go ahead and open this up.
He's trying not to think about the giant piece of smegma he just put in his mouth.
All right.
Like, I'm not one to worry about textures, but that was fucked up, man. Like you said, it tasted like tea, but it was like...
Slogging down a booger.
Yeah, I've never eaten a burger, but I've definitely picked them out of my nose and
Put him in his mouth and chew
some of those stringy ones, that's how I picture them fucking tasting in my mouth.
This doesn't smell like anything.
And you bite into
Oh,
it,
my nose touched this
and
one.
it just kind of went
This one,
all
so.
across your face.
Smell it. Does it smell like anything?
No. We're probably going to bite into a roll of flour.
So it's kind of soft. There's some flour on it. It's not crunchy, so there's a little bit of pliability to it. Oh god. Tony, you want this? Tony's done.
Ugh. That shit tastes like ass.
It doesn't taste like anything.
It's like fucking. The flour just and everything just made it fucking bland. It's. Ugh.
You've got me worried here.
Yeah.
Open the bag up.
I got you, big boy.
To me, it tastes like I'm eating flour.
Yeah, that's all I taste. I'm not gonna finish it, but I'm not gonna spit it out either.
Like wet dough.
Yeah. Not good though, by any means.
I wouldn't go out and buy it again, or oh shit, I'm craving this. You and that chewy candy.
I got.
All right, next we got some spicy squid. It just looks like dried, shriveled squid. I guess I don't know.
And it feels like rubber.
No, part of it. You got backing on it.
Oh yeah. So all right, let's go ahead and open up and give it a try. Moo, you need to stop eating.
You need a palate cleanse.
That's what the water's for.
All right,
Push it
guys.
around.
Ooh.
The fuck is that?
It looks like scales.
No. Smells very fishy.
Yes. Tastes extremely fishy,
It's not bad.
but it's not bad.
No.
Like fish jerky.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's almost like that powder jerky that you get.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
It's really good.
It's got a lot of flavor and it's not spicy like it's advertised on the package. At least I can't taste any or feel any heat.
Oh. I think that's why we gotta eat another piece.
I'm agreeing. I'll eat too. Pretty good.
Yeah. Although it's one solid piece, it definitely tastes like that powdered beef jerky. Go get some.
Mm-hmm.
Don't go get some.
That's no too.
Move to the pork rinds?
All right.
Or we're skipping those?
Now we can do pork rinds. Alright, I just grabbed these. I know it's nothing unique or different. But I just wanted to see what their version of pork rinds were. Because I've tried like pork rinds from like the Mexican store where they actually take whatever and fucking like deep fry it there and then do a light season. So I wanted to see if these were any different. Because I don't know where these were imported from. Never mind, they were made in the USA. What the fuck?
At the Asian store.
And maybe the bag was made in the United States. There's a
Maybe
lot
they
of
made them
false
at the restaurant.
advertising.
Well,
Maybe they skinned them at the restaurant.
I don't know. Alright, well, let's go ahead and get this opened up and see if these are
Fresh last night. Excuse me.
with a hole in it.
sounds like a personal problem, bruh.
Roll it in some flour.
Oops.
I don't want to taste that.
Alright, there you go.
I'm not a fan of pork rinds, but fuck it.
That's delicious.
I just want one!
You gotta eat them all.
I don't want them all.
These actually aren't that bad. They're really crunchy. And they got a lot of flavor. They're crunchy where they don't hurt your teeth. Which I've had tons of fucking... I love pork rinds and some of them are really super fucking... I'll be back with you in a minute. Well, you chew so much that it feels like your jaw's about to fall off. But these are actually, they have a good crunch to them. And the flavor's really good. It's got a little heat to it. Feel on my tongue. So that's good.
Hot fruit. Yeah.
Alright, I gotta stand up for this one so they can be sure to see this. Like Josh said, hot fruit flavored beef jerky.
And all three of these are... Okay.
It doesn't really have a smell.
It's gotta have a smell. Can't have beef jerky without a smell.
I don't know, but I keep eating. Squid's good.
strange.
Smells like cat food. Oh, it really does.
You have a cat. I don't know. Fuck
Josh, you've had cats, right?
Yep.
Smell just the piece of beef jerky.
It does.
It's not bad. What do you guys think?
Product of USA.
I haven't found the hot part of it yet.
Yeah, but it's not as spicy as advertised. You get a lot more heat out of these pork rinds.
I don't know, that had a little bit of heat to it, but still not hot.
Just your everyday average beef jerky with a different flavor listed on the plate.
That curry looks good. Same brand beef jerky, except curry flavored this time. Why do you want me to open everything?
You got dainty little fingers.
Oh.
Eat a second piece of this.
What?
The heat comes out.
Oh, that first one I had a lot of powder on it. There's heat.
Ooh, I really taste the curry in this.
I mean, you can smell the curry. I'm a little nervous. I mean, I like curry, but I just don't know.
Nah, this is fucking chronic, dude. I really like this. Pretty good.
A little more
Dry.
dry.
It's dry, but it's good.
It's very dry.
It's good.
You gonna talk?
Kind of bland.
Gotta try my piece.
I'm gonna try another piece of this. Fuck that curry shit.
Curry's not that bad.
No. Once you roll it around your tongue and get wet a little bit, you
Right?
gotta spit on it to get
It is
out.
dry. It is really fucking. It really is dry. You got it right.
Hey. What you got next? Fruit flavored?
Fruit flavored beef jerky.
So I have a feeling it's
Same brand.
gonna taste like the other one, but just not hot. That's my guess.
It doesn't even taste really hot.
Did you eat the second piece?
Same smell.
What, cat food?
Cat food. Okay, I taste the heat there.
Yeah. Same cat food smell.
Yep. We got nice bite-sized pieces, and it's actually a nice decent-sized package to, like, you know, take with you for a snack.
So this, you can taste the fruit a little bit more. There's definitely a sweet sense to it. Or there's the other one that I couldn't. The spicy fruit. It's not real sweet, but it's there.
Yeah.
I'd get the hot fruit over the
Yeah.
Yeah, the hot
regular
fruit.
fruit.
Anybody wants a last piece of squid?
Yeah.
That was good. I liked it.
So there's two things that we've completely finished off. We ate the peanut brittle and the squid, so we know that's good.
Yeah.
I'm still working on the spicy jerky.
Alright.
Looks like a college party.
Oh,
Dude, let's go to the Asian store and try everything! It's like a frat house.
Well, this
I'm kind of
completes.
full.
Yeah, I'm full too. But
I'm still craving a choco stick.
Dude, we're gonna eat that whole fucking package. Thanks for tuning in, guys. We did try a couple other things that wasn't shown on camera. Chocolate rolls are one of them, pudding filling, but
they're chronic. But with that being said, remember, please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon.
stay up to date with videos we upload on a weekend basis.
And if you ever find any of this food interesting, stop by the Global Oriental Market. It'll hook you up.
Whoa.
Fuck you. Alright guys, peace.
Fire